Hello, this is a recording for Friday, March 13th. Today's practice is titled Courageous Confidence. It is designed to remind you that you are supported at every moment and to help you feel courageous. As always, get very comfortable, body and head supported if possible, and bring your awareness to your breath. Natural, easy breath. Nothing to change. Feel your body naturally expand and contract without you doing anything. Let the body breathe itself. Body is taking care of your breath. Your mind doesn't have to participate. There is nothing you need to do. Simply be aware of this miracle of your body undertaking all the complex processes of breathing with grace and without expectation. You are supported by your body, cared for by your body, every moment of your life. Your body is doing its best for you. You are supported by this breath at every moment in your life. Supported by the intelligence behind the breath at every moment of your life. Supported by the energy fueling the intelligence at every moment of your life. Every single moment. Supported effortlessly by miraculous intelligence and energy. The wind beneath your wings. So soar high, be free, be bold. Remember, you are supported at every moment by a higher intelligence, effortlessly supported with energy. Spread your wings and fly. All the conditions are there. And if you falter, the conditions will still be there, and you can simply try again. You are always supported by a higher intelligence and energy. There is a current already there to lift you up. So allow this current to lift you high into the sky, soaring. This is the nature of your being. You are always supported by a higher intelligence and energy at every moment. The very same intelligence and energy supporting every person, animal, blade of grass. Experience this connection to higher intelligence, energy, constant support. Experience this connection in any way you like, visualizing a feeling, soaring, supported, miraculously potential. Experience this connection to high intelligence, energy, constant support in any way you like. And let it fuel the sensation of effortless confidence and courage. Experience this in any way you like for the next few moments. I'll be silent. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I encourage you to stay with this practice. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.